News around the world makes the Forex market very volatile. It's not just enough to know all the technical analysis. It's really important to know what makes the Forex market move. Just think of this example. Let's say you own some shares of a big shipping company. And let's say the news came out about that company and they said that they were filing for bankruptcy. You would immediately want to sell your shares of this company, right? Well, everyone else that has a share in this company is probably thinking the same thing. It's the exact same thing with the Forex market when trading currencies. When a certain news event comes out in a particular country, that could affect the value of that country's currency, so traders begin heavily buying or selling the currency. In the stock market, when you hear news before everyone else, it's illegal. In the Forex market, the earlier you hear the news, the better, and there's no penalty for it. If there wasn't any news, the market would hardly move at all. So news is what fuels the Forex market, and it's very important that you understand how to trade during the news. And that's what we're going to cover in this module.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.